What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money trading Bitcoin and stocks on Cash App. I'm also going to show you my investing strategy. So let's get right into the video. Here we are on Cash App. If you don't have the app, I will leave the link in the description down below. When you sign up with the link, you will get $5 for free. So this is the Bitcoin page. If we take a look at the price, we can see that Bitcoin is at an all-time high. Here you see the 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year. So now that you see how much Bitcoin has gone up in the past few months, let me show you how you can buy it. So to purchase Bitcoin, all you have to do is hit the buy button, select the amount, and click next. Then it will scan your Face ID, and over here, all you need to do is click confirm. But I'm not going to buy Bitcoin right now, so I X that out. And you can also send or receive Bitcoin by clicking the arrow that you see right here, and then you select deposit or send and follow the steps from there. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash the like button. This is the transaction page, and over here you can see all your previous transactions. Make sure you watch the entire video to learn my investing strategy. Over here I'm just showing you all the stocks that I recently purchased. Let's go back to the investing page, but this time click on stock. So you can see that I have $600 invested with a $12 gain. So now I'm going to show you my investing strategy. So basically I invest $50 every single day. $8.33 into 3 ETFs, adding up to $25, and $1.25 different stocks, making the total $50. I'm just going to keep scrolling so you can see the stocks that I picked. So I can also switch to see my total profit on each stock. And the stock that made me the most was Twitter. Now going back to the transactions page, if I scroll all the way to the top, you see an invitation bonus. You guys can claim $5 for free just by clicking the link in the description below. However, make sure you send $5 or invest $5 to receive your $5 bonus. Shout out to Nessie Mac. If you want to be in the next video, make sure you use the code and spend or invest $5 and I will shout you out in my next video. Make sure to watch these 2 recommended videos right here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.